Welcome back to dptutorials. In this video, let us learn about the in-cell chart using the repeat function. Purpose: repeat function repeats a text string specified number of times, using which the in-cell chart for showing the progress as a bar. This is a great way to visualize data without having to create a full-fledged chart. Let's dive in. Before we get started with creating our in-cell graph, let's quickly understand the repeat function. The repeat function in Excel repeats a text string a specified number of times. The syntax is equals to REPT open the parenthesis text comma number of times close the parenthesis. For example, if you want to repeat the character A 5 times, you would use the formula as equals to REPT open the parenthesis in the inverted quotes type A comma 5 close the parenthesis and press enter. The result would be 5 times A. Let's see this example data that we will use to create our in-cell graph. We have the employee counts in the column C against each project, and let's visually show these values in the column D as a in-cell chart. Follow the steps. Go to cell D7 and type the formula as equals to REPT open the parenthesis in the inverted quotes type pipe, or you can call as vertical bar, comma, select the cell C7 close the parenthesis and press enter. You will see that the pipe or vertical bar has been repeated 65 times in the cell D7. Drag this formula till the last cell and you will observe that it resembles like a progress bar showing the count of employees. Now there is a trick to better this. If you want to have the dark filled lines, just select some cells and change the font to stencil, and you will observe that the bars will be in dark color. Similarly, you can also change the font color to visually better this chart. You can also try by typing some letter like N and change the font to Wingdings and see. Similarly, you can play around with different fonts to create different styles. And here are some of the samples for your reference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.